Learning how to renovate your home for easy success? Hi there, I'm Bobbi, a long-term renovator, rehabber, and builder. And today I'm excited to guide you through the process of renovating your home. Whether you're looking to make functional upgrades, boost your home's aesthetic appeal, or increase its value, this step-by-step guide is designed just for you. Renovating a home can be a rewarding experience and can potentially save you a lot of money. By being your own general contractor, you could save 20 to 30% on those renovation costs. So let's dive in and turn your home into the dream home you've always wanted. Starting with the beginning, planning your renovation. First, you need to assess your needs and goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your renovation. Are you aiming for functional upgrades, aesthetic improvements, or increasing the property value? Prioritize your goals so you can focus on what's most important to you. Focus on the critical areas and structural areas. Yes, a beautiful kitchen with gorgeous countertops are your dream. But if you do this right, your home will last longer and there will be no issues when it comes time to do the selling. Next, budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. Be sure to include a contingency fund for unexpected costs. Trust me, they always pop up. Remember, we can help you save 20 to 30% on your renovation costs by guiding you through the process as your own general contractor. This can make a huge difference in sticking to your budget while achieving your dream home. Pro tip: depending on the age of your home and what you're planning to do, hiring a home inspector or engineer for a review could be a great way to know almost all of the issues that you have in the home before you get started. For a few $100s, you can save yourself countless hours and headaches and thousands of expenses. All right, next, hiring subcontractors. Finding reliable professionals is critical. It's what you need to make sure you have a successful renovation, rehab, or build. Start by sourcing reputable professionals through recommendations, online reviews, and local directories. Make sure you verify their credentials and experience to ensure they're qualified for the job. Now, getting quotes and contracts. Once you've identified potential subcontractors, obtain multiple quotes to be able to compare. This will give you a good idea of the market and help you stay within your budget. Always ensure that all agreements are in writing to avoid any misunderstandings later on. Make sure the contracts are clear and protect both parties and set clear expectations for the work to be done and what happens if it's not. We can assist you in this process, making sure you hire the best professionals for your project. Okay, now the order of the work. Initial preparations. Before work begins, ensure that you have the necessary permit and schedule of inspections that you're going to need. Clear the area, protect existing structure and finishes to prevent any damage. Pro tip: if you have a lot of personal belongings or items of significant value, we suggest removing them for safety's sake. You can check out our video below on living in a house while renovating as well. I've done that several times and live to tell about it. All right. Demolition and structural changes. Start with safely removing old fixtures, walls, or flooring. If your renovation involves structural changes, address those early in the process to avoid complications later on. Pro tip: review your house for items of value that you will be removing or discarding. Chandeliers, wide plank flooring, and other items can be of value. They can also be tax deductions. So if you have any items like that, you might want to try and see about selling them or donating them. We've done that on many properties that are about 100 to 150 years old. Okay, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical work. Next up, the mechanicals. It's now time to do the rough install or update plumbing systems and HVAC. Pro tip: before work starts, make sure that all plumbers, electricians, and HVAC know where they are going with their ducts, pipes, and wires, and especially that there are no known issues that will cause delays or other problems. Ensure that all work is up to code and meets your needs and requirements. This step is critical for the safety and functionality of your home. Verify that you receive both the rough-in inspection stickers or sign-off as well as those for the final inspections. Pro tip: those are frequently stuck to the door of the electric panel, a hot water heater, or the HVAC setup. So check for them there. And if they're not there, talk to your contractors. Insulation and drywall. Add insulation to improve energy efficiency. With rising utility costs, insulation is critical. Once that's done, it's time to close it in, which means hanging the drywall and preparing the walls for finishing touches such as paint. This sets the stage for the final layers of renovation. We can guide you through each of these steps, ensuring that everything is done correctly and efficiency. A few pro tips. Inspections. Coordinate with local authorities to schedule required inspections is a key part of the renovation process. Make sure to plan those inspections to ensure that everything is up to code, and follow up with your subcontractor that they've called them and done them. Do not move forward with insulation and drywall until all rough-in inspections are completed and approved. It is miserable to have to tear down drywall or other items to make sure that your inspectors, who are now annoyed, can get in and see what they need to see. So, what are inspectors looking for? They're going to check for structural integrity, electrical safety, plumbing standards, and compliance with building codes. These inspections are crucial for ensuring your renovation is safe and meets all legal requirements. We can help you navigate this process, making sure you know exactly what's needed and when. This way, you can avoid delays and keep your project moving smoothly. Having expert guidance can make all the difference in passing inspections with flying colors. Now it's time for the fun part, painting and flooring. Adding these finishing touches. Pro tip, have your paint colors and flooring picked out well in advance and on site before it's needed. This is to make sure that it's here when needed, but also flooring, depending on the kind you choose, can need some time to acclimate to the environment. Pro tip, this is not the time to go bargain basement. This is what people see when they come to your home, and it's what will have to take the wear and tear of your family. So make sure those items will last. Now, installing fixtures and appliances. Next, it's time to properly install fixtures, cabinets, and appliances. This step brings your vision to life, makes you feel good, and gives the home that polished, complete look. Pay attention to the details to ensure everything is installed correctly and functions as it should. We can assist you in selecting the best materials and finishes, ensuring that your finishing touches are beautiful, practical, and give you a 5-star look without a 5-star price tag. With our expertise, your renovated home will not only look stunning, but will also operate efficiently for years to come. And again, we're back to inspections. Yes, you have to double check again and make sure everyone got their final inspections. And once the subcontractors are done, you make sure to get the final building inspection. Don't release those last payments to anyone before you verify that it's all completed. Okay, no more inspections talk today, we promise. During a renovation, you might encounter unexpected structural issues, delays in material delivery, or budget overruns. These challenges can be frustrating and can throw your project off track. This is where we come in. Our services are designed to help you navigate these issues smoothly. With our expertise, we can foresee potential problems and provide solutions before they become major setbacks. We also help you manage your budget effectively, ensuring you get the best value for your money. By acting as your own general contractor with our guidance, you'll save 20 to 30% on your renovation costs and complete your project more efficiently. We're here to make sure your renovation journey is as seamless and stress-free as possible, helping you turn your vision into reality. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points of the renovation process. Start by assessing your needs and setting a realistic budget. Hire reliable subcontractors and follow the proper work order for initial preparations to finishing touches. Don't forget to schedule necessary inspections to ensure everything is up to code. Renovating your home can be a rewarding experience, especially when you have the right guidance. We're here to help you navigate potential issues and save on costs by acting as your own general contractor. Ready to transform your home into your dream space? Together, let's make your renovation project a success.